Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this travel planner app, which is Wanderlog. So this is a collective data review, so let's quickly dive into it. So talking about Wanderlog is one of the best travel planner app for 2025, offering a smooth way to organize trip, track budget, and collaborate with friends. Its clean interface and built-in map make trip planning simple and visual, while features like offline access and reservation import make it incredibly convenient for both solo travelers and groups. However, most of its advanced features like offline maps, route optimization are locked behind a paid plan. It also lacks real-time flight alert and can feel cluttered if you only need a basic trip notes. Still, Wanderlog remains a top choice for travelers who love detailed, flexible planning. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.